In this video, I'll show you how to change the name of your Android phone, to personalize it and make it have a name that it's easy to recognize, especially when you see it on the network or when you see it on your computer. It's going to be a name that shows up in many places, and it's always nice to have the name personalized. To change the name of your Android phone, it's really easy. This is Android 15, Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, but this is going to be very similar on many Android phones. You go into the settings, open the settings, and in the settings you want to scroll all the way down to the About Phone section. So where it says About Phone, tap on the About Phone page. You have your name or maybe a picture. This could be different on different Android phones, but what you're looking for is on the basic info, device name. Tap on device name, and here I can actually change it to something else. That's the default name of this phone, Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. The global EU version is XQDQ54, but doesn't really mean much for a name, for a phone. You could remember the name or copy it somewhere else if you want to put it back here. So I could say Xperia, or I could say my beloved Xperia, like this. Could call it anything you like. It's important to remember that your device name is visible to apps on your phone. It might also be seen by other people when you connect to Bluetooth devices and Wi-Fi networks, like a hotspot or a Wi-Fi network. So try not to use something too personal here. It's just a device name. So now the device name is my beloved Xperia. If you want to put it back, you can always put it back, and you can, for example, you could put it something like this. Simple name, just one word. It's up to you. I will keep it like this for now. Maybe I will change it back, so I will go back to About Phone and call it Select All. Keep the same name like this. So it's more, not anyone would know what XQDQ54 or other types of names like that mean, but someone else who has an Xperia phone, they will know. So it's like a secret message for Xperia users. Thanks for watching. This is how I change the phone name. It's really easy.